urukwingana dozi miliyoni 2.2 aha dozi miliyoni 3.5 umuri za district z'urukwingana igana mushanju ezikizireyo kubamo Omushwaija okwetorora ihanga ryona kandi ombazogu kahebwe ekitongore kya Gavin kikwatanise n'ihanga rya Uganda.
On the 7th of March 2025, the country received and flagged off the distribution of 2,278,000 doses out of a total quantity of 3.5 million doses of malaria vaccines to 107 districts with high and moderate transmission across the country.
Okujema abantu oku nukuza kuba kuruho buri mwaka okwetorora ihanga ryona ahagati y'abana bari hagati y'emyezi 6 kusya amezi 16.
The Ministry of Health is introducing the malaria vaccine, that is the R21, into the routine immunization schedule in April 2025 to protect children under 5 years old from severe malaria and death. The vaccine will be administered to babies aged 6 to 18 months.
For Minister w'Amagara Honorable Jane Ruth Acheng yashobora ngo batungire dozi z'urukwingana miliyoni 6.
The plan includes 1. Priority will be given to 107 districts. These are districts with moderate to high malaria transmission. The vaccine is expected to cover over 1.1 million children under 2 years of age.
Ugu yashobora ngo mbazogu no gwabusha ahari umuntu wena uyino mwana.
The vaccine will be given free of charge. It will be integrated with existing malaria prevention tools, including insecticide-treated nets, indoor residual spraying, seasonal/perennial malaria chemo prevention, and environmental control measures.
Minister Acheng yashaba abazire bona okutwara abana babo kubajyamo mubazo guru kukinjira Omushwaija gw'ensiri na mnonga abana abashize emyezi 6 okusya amezi 16.
I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to parents and caregivers to embrace the malaria vaccine. Please ensure that children aged 6 months receive all the doses of the malaria vaccine to ensure optimum protection.
Amakuru akagasha kwa Ronald Ngabrano abwatayari